Lizzanators, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I am dressed witchy today. I have on my witch triple moon necklace, and I have on my witchy hat. Absolutely love my witchy hat, and I have on this blue little dress. We are dressed witchy today because in this video I am going to be showing you guys how to make a witchy travel altar. This is a cute idea and I absolutely love it. It's so smart. It's a witch altar that you can bring anywhere with you when you're on the go, traveling, no matter where you are. You can just whip it out and set it all up, and there's all your witchy stuff to do anything witchy. So yeah, let's get into making this travel altar. This little thing, and I will show them off and everything. And I have this red little old makeup box to put a pen and a marker so that I can write things down. And of course, the pen is purple. It writes a purple. What else would you expect from me? And then I have a feather, because I think all witches need a feather, and I am obsessed with feathers. So I have a feather to go in there as well. He doesn't even want to stay in there. Okay, well, he'll fit in a minute. Okay, and then the next thing I have is a lighter, and of course it's purple, but you always need a lighter. Of bay leaves. And bay leaves are, you can use bay leaves on for any spell, really. Any wish spell, any kind of spell. All you do is you just write it down on, you write what you want. Clearly write it, like sure it makes sense and everything. Write it out onto the bay leaf, and then you burn it. And within a few days, your wish should come true, and you could continue to do it, and it works. I always use it. Use it for a couple things, and I absolutely love burning bay leaves for anything magical. I think it helps a lot in there, so that when I go in there, I know that I always have these. And then the next thing I have is a white candle, because you can use white candles to substitute any other kind of color candle. It will substitute anything. So I have a white candle for that. And then I also have a purple candle, because purple candle, one of the main things it's used for is to enhance power. So I use that to give my spells more power. And then the next thing we are going to add is this white sage. I have a couple of these. I use this just to use it for cleansing, cleanse everything. We have that. And then the next thing I'm going to show you guys that I have to go in there, is this crystal. It is rose quartz. Absolutely love it. And this is used for healing, unconditional love, and boosts feelings of peace and calmness. So I have that in there as well. And then I have this purple heart amethyst. We all know amethyst is my favorite type of crystal. We all know that. And this relieves stress and anxiety, and it helps with spiritual wisdom and enhances psychic abilities. So I absolutely love that one. And then the next one we have is black tourmaline. I'm not sure how to say that word. I will put it right here, but it looks like this. It just looks like black lump of coal. And this is used, it reduces fear and it helps build your self-confidence. It's considered the physical bridge to the spiritual. And for me, this is a big one. It helps with people that have dyslexia. I struggle with that. I've struggled with it my entire life. So this crystal is a very good one for people with dyslexia. And then the last crystal I have is this clear quartz. And clear quartz, you can use it to replace any kind of crystal. It will replace any crystal, and it is amazing. It helps with manifestations, and it is the master healer of all crystals. And it works in harmony with your body, mind, and soul. Absolutely love the clear quartz. Love it. It's one of my favorites. And then I have a picture of my familiar. He passed away on Valentine's Day in 2020, but he still comes and helps me with my spells. I feel him every time I do any kind of witch spell. So he goes in there as well. And then I have, there's 3 things left. And then I have this seashell, this tiny little seashell of seashells. This is a main symbol for Aphrodite. She's the Greek goddess of love. I work with her. I love her. And it also represents water and moon and protection. So I have that as well. And then I have a bigger seashell that I use as a little ashtray for when I do the spells and burn like the bay leaves and stuff. I just burn them in here. And then the last and final thing that I have is this pentacle that I made myself. And the pentacle represents the elements: earth, water, fire, air, and spirit. And those are my most favorite. I work with the elements a lot, and the pentagram is my most favorite witchy symbol. So I carry that with me as well. And there is everything in my box. And there is my witchy travel altar. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys are going to recreate your witchy altar travel. Let me know down below. I would love to see it if you do. Let me know if you have a witchy travel altar. Are you a witch? Let me know that down below as well. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Those are always down below. Subscribe to be an Lizzanator babe. We'd be happy to have you. And always remember that a little magic always goes a long way. And I'll speak to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.